female. How you get bird? When you ABC bird, you get egg, and you get G, and you get F. That's how you get a bird. When you watch Vice TV or Vice thing going on, you see guys even plucking out birds in a different way. And a guy even sleeping with a cow in a different way. A guy sleeping with a dog, horse. So you have that tell you in the Bible that bestiality. A guy who lay with any beast of this kind will not see God. Like Levi jeans alone. That's how you study Levi. Come back from TI, like Levi jeans alone, like you shouldn't be touching my jeans pants in the first place. So you understand the concept like you're going to high school. That girl have a big ass. I wish I could touch a girl ass, but how are you going to touch a girl ass? You have to bounce up on the girl. So when you work in normal living, when you see a guy try to touch you or come close to you in that sense, he's in the color coded formation. Because that's the thing he knows. He probably be in it from he was young. So imply that that's all he knows. So that's not right and fitting because when you watch X-rated, as you go on Google and you Google shit, X-rated film, you have a whole list of things you can choose from straight, crooked, mix up. Whether the guy wants the animal sleeping with animal, oh, dog sleeping with lady, a guy and a two animal. The shit is so messed up. You have to choose your category, and then you cannot tell people the choice. So you can always study people by like how Michael changed his skin tone. You can say people who's trying to impersonate Michael, and that guy who copied my April 20 is also an impersonator of Michael. So he's also a greedy dog. As I'm telling you, the guy is a greedy dog to the point. He's like a crackhead then, a cocaine addict crackhead that shouldn't be on TV over my thing. And I don't like the tone or era or wherever I come from. And I'm not talking like any celebrity, but I don't think that guy's fitting to be in telling people through whatever media because I hear media through realism. He's the same asthmatic telling people that he's better than people when you should be not be breathing the ear out like COVID-19 tell you. So realism. If he was not in the STD gay up pride shit, the guy would be talking down to people as the greatest DJ or whatever. So you have to bring him back to the realism. Realism. All of them fellows, when you Google and spell the word reggae, where you get a F. F when you spell reggae, and you get gay in it, sound kind of. So I wouldn't want to be a fan of that type of creation type of music, although some people say I don't like the music, you can choose. So I choose to follow my April type of music, probably sound like Hitman. So I'd be like, why this guy listening to, but I'm showing you. The guy listens to reggae and he's telling me why I'm listening to that because of the implication. He's telling people to go suck themselves and suck their mother. His implication. His implication, he wants somebody to knock him out while he's saying that. So when you get the concept of that, all of them fellows who follow that guy is in the same bracket line as Darius. He owes me money. And I don't like that clique and the clique that come with that Lucifer shit. I already tell the guy to, what do they call that word? Comments, because the guy think he's highly a celebrity. I'm just a young artist coming back from the same nation, but I won't die like that. I die on the Adolf with the gravestone April 29, 1889, near to my home. And it break into, and I have two eyes. So I don't see the fear coming back from the bus. In Falmouth is also number 2. So they'll even take the bus if it was like all over Jamaica and find the guy. Like, where's my money? Is that serious? You play my mother name, money, marketing, everything. And it's that serious. So they don't copy no brick with no brick. Because I'm saying when you walk that yellow brick road, it leads you to a gravestone with the same color. When you check that, the picture's already in it. The painting's already in it. In the gun, that's weird. And that's weird for somebody to be 3 o'clock in the morning over that parish church in Falmouth. But that's my spot. That's my chilling spot. So reality, if that guy who was in prison, check the reality. And they let him out of prison and you should go over that church, as though you love April 20 and go over that church and say he's chilling over there because you see April 20. They get rid of him just like that. And that's realism. Just like that. because that's not your spot. As I'm saying, the guy's a greedy dog, and he doesn't understand age and time and level, and I don't care for none of his family, none of his area, none of that shit. Because it's showing you the blue, and the blue coming back from the deep blue. I don't think he ever colder than freeze in winter. I don't think he ever colder than the lady who talks she don't need. And that person, lady, follow that person type of thing, and that person disappear himself as a Judas, a mental crazy, who follow that concept coming from that port war. The guy took himself off the earth, as I'm saying, because he followed that. And that's blasphemy. Because you're adding on to God's name. The guy said he doesn't know Jesus, but he's trying to impersonate Jah. When Jah has more names, God, 10. So you miss out with the 7th concept. Because there's no heaven for the guy. I'm telling you, the guy is on. If Caravaggio did some wrong and the same concept going on, and Caravaggio get killed by flu, that guy has, as I'm saying, the big book. The guy Frears is Mr. Burgundy. He's on zero with the maths and guns as an engineer. Even Triad Gang tell you that. The reason why I cut off my 5 fingers to left 3 fingers, I cut off 2, that's Triad. Because the guy believes if I'm doing 5 fingers, that's Jesus, but you still get God. So you cannot beat God in that sense. And when you put 5 and 3 together, we get hate. There's no way this gang go like me as a Triad gang because I'm a gang. That's Triad teaching you from China. So when you learn that Triad gang from China, different from other gang, and you learn the concept, you have to organize yourself up in a way and deal with paperwork. You know, just go out there and do all the shitty shit. If you understand what I mean. So you have paperwork, items.